As you can tell, this is the beach life. Yeah, look at that. A lot more people now. And there are some umbrellas set for customers. We are walking the pier. We got clear skies. Life is good. Taking it slow today. Wanted to take a walk at the pier together as a family. They left me behind, so I'm gonna have to catch up. But I hope you guys don't forget how beautiful this place is. And I also pray that we can come back here soon. Maybe next time go to Myrtle Beach. We're gonna try to head that way after we leave tomorrow. Maybe we can spend another night at Myrtle Beach. We do have some events happening this Friday, but nothing that can't be changed for some other days. We don't take these trips very often, so I think we have priorities to be set. I have been working a lot in the last 6 years maybe, and traveling by myself, which I've been reproached several times. See this fishing. This is what Elias wanted to do. Anyway, so my point with that was that I think we can take it slow when it comes to vacation, but vacationing together as a family, I think, because we don't do it too often. Now, I don't know if there's anybody swimming over there. I just saw something jump out of the water. I think it's somebody swimming, or a turtle maybe? I know it's a bird. Okay. It's like, I don't know what it is, but who am I fooling? I don't know much about birds, how they called, especially in English. If I don't know them in Spanish, at least in English. But anyway, I was thinking that when I was younger, I used to see these guys with their video cameras and their funny packs and all these crazy things recording, and I was thinking, man, what a weirdo, right? Especially dads. Now that I think about it more, you know, just recording and kind of missing the hearing now and trying to capture for future memories. I didn't think that I was going to become that guy, but here I am. I don't have a video camera the way they used to have them, like the big ones that you hold in your hand, and they had a viewfinder. You had to lean and look into it. I have a gimbal. Looks a little more fancy with my phone attached to it and a microphone for a better sound experience and quality. But I'm the same guy that I used to look at, I don't know, 30 years ago maybe. That's the life right there. Fishing. That's what I should have in my hand, not this gimbal. Very nice. Very, very nice. And I was hoping to see my kids there. There you are. Look at how beautiful they look together. Huh? Where Elias go?
At least I saw them. A little bit of them. Night, no, I saw them right now.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
You saw who?
Dolphins. They're right here.
Dolphins?
Yes.
Dolphins. No, but don't drop your phone.
No.
Oh, that'd be funny.
Morning. Oh, yeah.
How do you don't look mine.
Dolphins, huh? Is that what we're looking for?